So our mirrors on the ceiling and pink champagne on ice. Another fucking day for you and me in paradise. Give me